everyone, Assalamualaikum, and welcome to my YouTube channel Crypto Club, dedicated to exploring the dynamic world of cryptocurrency tokens and NFT projects. Join us for in-depth reviews, analysis, and discussions on the latest trends, promising tokens, and innovative NFT releases. From evaluating new blockchain technologies to understanding market insights, we provide comprehensive coverage to help you navigate the ever-evolving landscape of crypto investments. Stay tuned, make informed decisions, and dive into the exciting dream of digital assets with us. So today I have a great project for all of you in which you can invest and get great profit. But before we proceed, I request you all to kindly subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell so don't miss my video. Thank you. Guys, so today in this video we are going to talk about Kekius Samba. So we are to the website of Kekius Samba. You can see that Kekius Samba is a real meme coin. If you're one through some fake coins, but this is not fake, this is a real meme coin. So here we can see that we further check out the details and the goal and vision of Kiki Samba. Kiki Samba is a meme coin that came to bring the joy and spirit of Samba to the whole world. Kikis came to be different, democratic, and current. So this is a goal and vision of Kiki Samba. You can see on the website this is about Kiki Samba, that this is a real meme coin that would be came to bring the joy and spirit of the Samba to the whole community. You can further check out the Telegram group right here. So you can simply join the Telegram chat to be able to know more about the KK Samba. You can further check out the Telegram chat to stay updated with their recent details, recent tweets about KK Samba, that what is the KK's goal mean. And this is the roadmap. We can see we are to the roadmap of KK Samba. What is the future planning of KK Samba? What they had planned for the future, and what is the vision of KK Samba? First is launch. In the first moment, they will have the launch of the token. Will be the first solidification of the community. The next step is gamification. In the second moment, they will create an on-game test and competitions with the community. And in third step, they would be have play to earn. They will be the first gameplay to earn and to the token usability to earn growth for even more. So this is the roadmap of KK Samba. You can further check this. And here we can see we have the right side the Telegram group. So you can further check out the Telegram group. And here we can see we have some official contract address of KK Samba. Let me remind you once again that this is listed on many exchanges. Soon they will starting their pre-sale. You can further check out the pre-sale dates on the Telegram group. I'll drop the link of Telegram group and the website link in my description. You can further check out the details of KK Samba on the website. So if you want to some fake coins, but this is not fake coin, this is listed on Solana network. So you can completely and thoroughly trust on it. This is a trustable project. If you want to some fake coins, but do you have to understand on this KK Samba? I drop the link in my description, like website, their cyberscope, and there are all the required details. You can further check out the KK Samba details. So here we can see that we are to the website of KK Samba. You can further check this. You can join the project by yourself. I'll drop the link in my description so you can further check out the KK Samba project. And here we can see that we have reviewed the KK Samba. I hope you like this video. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel, and press the notification bell. Okay, I'll drop the link in my description, which you can use to access the project. Stay tuned, make your own research, and then you have to invest in it.